Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Aries, what's coming to you ngayong September 2024 for Aries. What's coming to Aries? Seventh house, relationship. Oh, so maaring itong main theme ng September for you related sa relasyon, marriage, business partnership, connection with others. Itong connection na to is something that is intimate, something that is seryoso, committed, no? Commitment to eh. Let's see what else. You have the 11th house, community. So, this is also your connection with others, your friends, your family. So, I think ngayong September, Aries, you're going to come out of your shell. Kung nung mga nakaraan ay lagi kang nagtatago, nagtatago talaga. Or yung tipong hindi masyadong nakikihalubilo sa maraming tao. Ngayong September, may magbabago dyan. Maaring mas magiging excited ka to meet new people, meet new friends, go out on a date, or maaring yung person mo, if you are dealing with someone, meron kayong mga events na pupuntahan, wherein kailangan yung may makilala na kaibigan, kamag-anak. You also have ascendant, which is about yourself. So, isa rin to sa bibigyan mo ng focus, yung sarili mo. You will start with yourself, kung ano yung kailangan mong i-improve sa sarili mo at yung relationship mo sa ibang tao. So, I think parang may confidence dito, Aries, no? For some reasons, I'm seeing na merong nagbo-boost ng confidence mo ngayon. Let's say, for example, merong kang in-improve sa sarili mo, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So, mas nagiging confident ka ngayon na humarap sa mas maraming tao. Kaya, medyo, marami kang makakausap ngayong September. Let's see your overall energy. You have the 8 of Swords. Oh, you are finally releasing the things that are limiting you. So, maaring nare-realize mo yung limitations mo na, teka, bakit ganito? Ako lang naman ang naglilimita sa sarili ko, which is pwede ka namang talagang makihalubilo sa iba, to go out, explore. Although, andun pa rin yung parang, ay, baka hindi maging okay, or baka alam mo yung fears, no? May mga takot sa inyo about stepping out of your comfort zone. But I feel like it's time for you to step out of your comfort zone ngayong September. Your challenge is the Queen of Pentacles. So this can be a challenge in your finances, your resources. Maaring iisipin mo na baka hindi mo kaya na mag-provide for your family or for your needs or for the needs of your loved ones. But itong Queen of Pentacles energy is about pagiging maparaan, 'di ba? Na yes, may mga times na natatakot tayo na baka hindi natin kayang mag-provide for our family or yung needs natin, but kailangan din dito diskarte, no? So, I think mas magiging madiskarte ka ngayong September. Okay, your opportunity is, diba? Nine of Pentacles, speaking of pagiging madiskarte, Nine of Pentacles is someone who is very independent, kaya niyang alagaan yung sarili niya, kaya niyang mag-provide para sa sarili niya, so meron kang opportunity na gawin yon or magawa yon. Kailangan mo lang talaga magtiwala sa sarili mo. Kung meron kang self-limiting beliefs, i-let go mo na yan, i-release mo na yan, at mas maging experimental or I think you're going to try new things. Alam mo yung feeling na uh, nakawala ka sa isang prison, no? Uh, na let's say for how many years hindi ka nag-explore, tinatanggap mo lang kung ano yung meron ka. Pero meron ka namang opportunity na sumubok, no? Kaya lang natatakot ka. So this time, I feel like there is someone in your life na mag-i-influence sa'yo para mas maging madiskarte or mas maging malakas ang loob na mag-experiment sa buhay. Parang may magme-mentor sa'yo. This can be your romantic partner or someone who really cares about you. And then your blessing is, wow, 4 of Wands. As a blessing, this is stability in your family life, in your home life. Yung iba sa inyo, if you have plans of, having your own house, your own place, yan, makakapag-acquire kayo. Pwedeng condo, no? Condo unit. You will get your own condo unit or pwede rin paglipat ng bahay kasama yung iyong mahal sa buhay. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ngayong September mag-aasawa o pwede rin namang magsasama na kayo ng person mo. You will try to live together or makapagbigay ng comfortable life para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, your money, career, finances, energies for September. Wow, the Three of Pentacles. Oh, maganda yan kasi this is improvement, expansion. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng challenging situation sa career, na nung mga nakaraan, nahirapan kayong bigyan ng solusyon or isolve yung problema na yan, with the help of someone who cares about you, no, malalagpasan mo yan. Okay? Mangangarap ka muli. Magiging inspired ka ulit. Oo. Alam mo yung feeling na merong taong nag-encourage sa'yo, 'di ba? Na, uy, kaya mo yan, Aries. O, naniniwala ako sa kakayanan mo. Di ba masarap sa feeling yon na parang, kung minsan tayo mismo hindi na nagtitiwala sa kakayanan natin, pero the moment na merong taong nagtiwala sa atin, parang nabuboost yung ating confidence. So that's what I'm seeing for you in your career, in your business. You are also moving on. You are overcoming your challenges. At nagkakaroon ka ulit ngayon ng ng vision para sa future mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. Meron kang bago ngayong pangarap. Your love life, you have the Sun, the Tower, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, sa love life naman, you will choose to be happy. Okay? Iba-iba yan para sa iba't ibang tao, no? Merong person na para sa kanya, pag pinili niya yung partner niya, magiging masaya siya, dun yung happiness niya, so yun yung pipiliin niya. Yung iba naman, kung aalis siya sa isang toxic situation, toxic relationship, then yun yung magpapasaya sa kanya, 'di ba? But whatever change that you're going to do in your relationship ngayong September, meron tong magandang resulta para sa iyo. This will bring you more empowered. Let's see what else. Repair, o meron kang aayusin, i-heal. So, pwedeng literal to, meron kang ipapaayos na gamit, no? Or yung bahay nyo, papa-renovate ninyo. This can also mean healing a relationship in your past or parang para sa sarili mo to, healing yourself, healing your inner child. Oh, you have abundance. Wow, ang ganda. So, merong fertility. This is also good harvest. Having the things that you need. And you also have cabin, which is sometimes, no, may mga pagkakataon na ina-isolate mo yung sarili mo. This really makes sense with the Eight of Swords here. But, depende kasi yan, no? Kung kailangan mo talaga mapag-isa at gusto mo ng katahimikan, why not, no? Kung yan ang magbibigay sa'yo ng peace of mind at makakapag-isip ka, lalo na kung meron kang malaking decision making na gagawin. Okay? But, of course, after nun, still, you need to connect with others, especially to those na may support para sa'yo. Ayan. You don't need someone else to fix you, o 'di ba? Merong fixing dito. So when it comes to healing, galing sa 'yan, no? Ikaw yung mag-i-initiate ng healing na 'yan para sa sarili mo. Na hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao para i-heal ka for yourself. Kasi kahit na yung ibang tao gustong mag-heal ka pero ikaw hindi ka pa ready, then wala ring mangyayari do'n, 'di ba? So ikaw mismo ang may control about how you're going to heal, how are you are going to move forward. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.